Okay, tell me about yourself.
My name is Priyanka Navrange. I am 20 years old. I am a simple girl. I did my schooling from Jawaharlal Nodaya Vidyalaya, Burai Durg. Now I am doing my graduation from NIT Raipur.
Okay, playing tennis.
Uh, Tennis is a very interesting game. I like tennis very much. I usually go to tennis school 3 times in a week with my father. He is a very good player of tennis, and I have lot of medals and awards. Um, I like tennis very much.
An aquarium.
Uh, I love fishes. My favorite fish is catfish, and I have a aquarium in my home. There are 3 catfish in my home, and catfish are pink in color. Their eyes is in red color, and they always hide from weeds. And I like to take care of them, and I usually feed cash fish three times in a day.
The cat in my dream.
My favorite pet is cat, but unfortunately I had no cat in my home because my parents don't want any pet in my home. Uh, if I had a cat, then I would call it Sky because I want a cat with blue eyes, and I would also teach them how to catch mice and rats.
My parrot can speak.
Um, I have a parrot. The name of my parrot is Mittu, and he understands my all words. He knows me. He knows me very well, and he has. I like to take care of him, and I like to feed them, and I like to feed. I feed them 3 times in a day, and he understands all my words. He is looking in mirror all the day.
My 6-year-old dog.
I have a dog. The name of my dog is Max. Um, he he is a guard of my house. He take care of my house, and the love between me and my dog is very nice, and we can easily understand his reaction, his word, and he easily understand me, and he protect my house, and I like to take care of them. I like to play with them, and that's all.
Kelly, the good girl.
Um, Kelly is a very hardworking and intelligent girl. He has good marks in his school, in her school, and he helped her mother, the mother for cleaning purpose, and he also helped her little brother with their homework, and her father is mechanic, and she always help her father to repairing a car or to repairing a bikes, etc. So in my way, Carrie is a very good and fantastic girl, and we all proud of him.
A beautiful garden.
My I have a home in my village, and my usually my grandmother and grandfather lives in that village, and my grandmother has a very good and beautiful garden. In their garden there are many plants and flowers plants also there. There are fruit plants also, such as apple plant and cherry plant, many things, and there are many flower plants also, just like rose, marigold, and etc. And the structure of the garden is very nice, and it's look very nice, beautiful.
An amazing voice.
Uh, I My favorite singer is Atif Aslam. I think he has a very beautiful voice, and if I listen his voice, I feel very relaxed, and I think his voice is act as medicine for myself, and it remove my stress and all this thing. It is a listening Atif Aslam song is a one my hobby, It's my one of hobby, you can
My
say.
best friend.
My best friend is Savita. She is a very good girl, and she always help me without any condition and without any term. And whenever I want, she always ready to help me.
Meena and Reena.
Meena and Reena are twins, and both are different. Both has different character, because Meena is a calm girl and Reena is a very energetic girl. Meena like baseball and Reena like Ludo. So both the character is very different, but they are twins.
A 10 years old dog.
Uh,
Student, sorry.
uh, 10.
A 10-year-old student.
Okay. Sonu is a 10-year student, and he is a very good boy. He follows my all the instruction, and he go to the school. He go to the school in 5 days, 5 days in a week, and he has good marks in his school, and he always respect her teacher. He always respect his teacher, his family, and he always help his mother and his father also.
A beautiful sweater.
Today Priya is wearing her beautiful sweater. The color of her sweater is pink, and which is knit by Priya its own self. And Priya, the best part is Priya knit sweater by own self, and she knit a small cap with cap for his mother also, for her mother also. And then and Priya gives a cap to her mother. Then her mother said, then Priya said, "Do you like it, mom?" And then her mother replied, "I like it very much, beta, and keep it up with your work."
Favorite drink.
My favorite drink is milk, and I like milk with Bonvita. Without Bonvita, I don't like actually. And I like to eat. I like to drink because it contains so many things. Just like it gives our body a calcium, which is very helpful for our bones and our mind. So I like drink milk.
My wonderful family.
I have a God-gifted family, and my family is very wonderful family. There are 6 members in my family: my mother, my father, my brother, my sister, my grandmother, besides me. My father's name is Mr. Deepak Kumar Navrange. He is 44 years old. He is a farmer, and he is a very hard-working man. Then my mother's name is Mrs. Mohini Navrange. She is 40 years old. She is a very honest woman, and she is a homemaker. Then I have a younger sister. The name of my sister is Varsha Navrange. She is doing her graduation, and she is very innocent and naughty girl. And then I have an older brother. My brother's name is Ashish Narange. He is very honest boy, and he is very intelligent, and he is a shopkeeper. And that's all about my family.
Importance of English.
English is a very essential language. English is an international language, and we should know about English. Without English, we cannot survive in anywhere of the world, because in every country, in every small organization also need a employee who knows English. So English is a very important for ourselves. Without English, we cannot do single work. Just like we cannot get a proper college, and we cannot get a proper job. So that's why English is a very very important. We should learn English.